Missing Math, a Number Mystery by Loreen, Leedy. To all the math lovers who will notice that no is equivalent to 0. Last Monday was an average day. It wasn't odd or weird, till numbers all around our town completely disappeared. They zoomed away in one big swoosh and left a total mess. The problems we are having now are simply numberless. We try to write more numbers down with pencil, chalk, and pen, but even when we think them up, they slip away again. So none of us can count amounts, add numbers, or subtract, and nobody can multiply. That is just a fact. We have to find our numbers. They could be any place. The best detective in our town is working on the case. Our teams don't bother playing sports like football anymore. What's the point of playing games if you can't keep the score? The TV channels left for good. We tossed out our remotes, and no one gets elected here since we can't count the votes. Our piggy banks are full of coins to spend on something nice, but money has no value now, and nothing has a price. We can't send mail or packages by truck or boat or air. Without the right address and stamp, they can't go anywhere. Should we wake up or go to bed? When should we come or go? Because our clocks can't tell the time, we have no way to know. Our calendars have empty squares, so who can tell the date? This might be April, May, or June. We'll have to estimate. I hope my birthday's coming soon. When will my party be? I wish I knew how old I was. What an emergency! We checked these books out long ago. It's hard to say quite when. We'll keep them for a year or more, then read them all again. Our dinner tastes peculiar, but it isn't Daddy's fault. His cookbook has no quantities. He put in too much salt. The buttons on the phone are blank. I can't call anyone. The phone book is no help at all. This isn't any fun. Computers stay asleep all day. They will not operate. The calculators are upset. They cannot calculate. How tall am I? What do I weigh? And what's my temperature? Without a way to measure things, we just don't know for sure. Our hats and boots don't seem to fit, and neither do our shoes. If we can't tell what size they are, it's very hard to choose. The workers who are building things are in a frightful fix. This brand new house is nothing but a crooked stack of sticks. Can our detectives solve this case? It's very hard to wait. Our numbers must be rescued soon, before it's way too late. I've tracked you down, you number thief. Your number vacuum too. I want to ask a question, please. What were you trying to do? To make the longest number that the world will ever see. I've been collecting numerals to reach infinity. Here's a 1, there's a 2, a 3, and now a 4. But math will be impossible till we get several more. A 5's arrived, a 6 and 7, 8 and 9, hello. And last but not the least of all, we welcome back 0. It's time for us to celebrate. We miss math every day. Our numbers are at home again. Math is here to stay. Hooray! Isn't it great to have our numbers back? Yes, but these library books are way overdue. Your punishment is to fix all the phone books, so you'll need a lot of glue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the book, Please like it and check out the other awesome books on my page, Reading Rhino.